It's been a long day today. You can notice the wind right now. It's really windy. And this morning, I woke up late, a bit late, but it was really windy and was really bad, and I really hated it. And the thing is, right now, I'm walking towards getting the car because Laura's getting another car right now, using the office car. What happened was, oh, fucking windy, really windy. You can hear it. It was a windy morning. Then we realized that today we're gonna have our fire drill at the office. So I was saying we had a fire drill today, and I'm a fire warden at the office, so I have to organize people to do the fire drill. And we went to Flagstaff. The thing is, it was really cold, and now on my way home, I was on a train entering with it. And what happened was somebody was struck in a train at Mitcham, so I had to take a bus. It took me 23 minutes to get here, which is where I'm at now. Sorry about the blown up lights. Yeah, so I'm here at Bunnings. I'm gonna go down to the basement to get the car. So yeah, it's been a long day. Okay, here's the thing. I'm fucking hating the thingies, but anyway. Yeah, as I was saying earlier, so what I was saying earlier, I had a long day because the train was a bit cold. This morning was so windy. When I arrived at work, we had this fire drill. We had to go up the building, and we have to stay outside of the building. That's it. We have to stay outside of the building. This light's really annoying me. Hold on. I tried to organize a different light from here. It's kind of weird still, but anyway. Yeah, back to what I was saying. We had a fire drill today, and I wanted to film, but no, I was a warden. I was a floor warden or something. Warden, somewhere there. I was wearing red hats, so I can't fool around to do some videos because it was an exercise. It was important for us to do it. Yeah. So after that, I had a rough day at work. We're processing payments and everything. I was really doing it slow. And on my way home, I have to come here to Ringwood to get the car because Laura's bringing the office car home because she'll be using it. And I'll be glad I'll be using the car here heading to work. I won't be bugging Laura to wake up early. I'll be driving to the station even though it's just closed. It's really cold in the morning, and I'm trying to fix my skateboard. Anyway, yeah. On my way here, the train stopped from Blackburn, and we have to go to Mitcham, Nanawati, and everything else. So the train stopped because somebody got struck in the train station in Mitcham. So it's a long bus ride here. I had to walk a few kilometers from the station going here. So I'm really tired now. I need a coffee frap. I might get a coffee frap. And one more thing, I had my Gold Coast Queensland trip vlog being edited now, so I was planning to hold on putting up a vlog because I want to put those vlogs, my travel vlogs, my daily vlogs, because I'll be delaying those. But if I'm not gonna put any video today, I won't be able to put any videos later on. That specific thing's gonna bring back the rest. So I won't be able to do any daily vlogs. So for now, this is just an update vlog. This is nothing really important, but I want to do a daily vlog, so might as well start now. This light's making me old, with old wrinkles and everything else, or I'm just old. Anyway, I'm gonna listen to Triple M right now. Rock. I'm gonna eat takoyaki. I'm gonna get coffee frap. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. I need to come up with good lighting for myself. This one here is a bit harsh. I need to put it near the camera. Let me see. It's too bad. It should be somewhere here. I need to get out of here. I need to get coffee. Let's go. Get some coffee frap. Now. Crappy lighting. There. Okay. So, yeah, despite the crappy day and bad lighting I'm having here in the car right now, I'm drinking coffee frap, so everything's better right now. Everything's great. I'm drinking coffee frap. I'm starting to miss the A6500 now, but this camera shows me what I'm doing, so I prefer this in some other way. But yeah, I need to get going now because I need to go home. Yeah. Yeah. Good day, folks. I have the 10-22 Canon here, which is an EFS lens cropped. So I'm planning to use it on this A6500 that I'm using now. I also have the 10-18 from Sony, but I want to use this one here for my 1DX and my on this A6500. The problem with this lens is that I took off the back cut. So this thing is protruding. This one here is protruding. So every time you put it on a 1DX, it keeps on, it might hit the mirror and might mess up the camera. Just this small protrusion up here. So what I'm going to do is, oh, one more thing. I tried to use it on the Canon, the Sigma MC11 adapter. Sorry, I'm not ready. I just took camera and filmed this right away. So I might be having a lot of mistakes, but I don't care. So this is the Sigma MC11, which is the adapter for Sony. Whenever I use that lens, it's not gonna fit well because of, again, this one here, that's the protrusion for the crop sensor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify it. Close this one up. I'm going to modify this one. I'm going to take this off. So, I don't know. I'm going to sand it or cut it, or I don't know. I'll see what I can do. And that way I can take this off. I can use it on the A6500 or any other cameras. I can use it on the 1DX. And yeah, because this is just a cheapy 10-18 from Canon. The good thing about it is autofocus is good because it's an STM lens. But even if you cut this, it just won't matter. Still works, though it's not that protected. The electrodes are not protected, but yeah, still works. Doesn't matter. So, yep, that's it. So there you go. I finished taking this. It was supposed to be there. I don't know if it's clear. It's kind of dark. Let me just try to fix the ISO. Yep. So there you go. This just came from here. I hacksawed it, took this off, and then I filed it. That way it's gonna go flat as hell. And then I'm gonna put it back there. That's how it is. And then let's check if it fits. The MC11. Ooh. Okay, it's hard for me to film this with one hand, but I'm gonna put the camera down for now. Oh, there you go. It fit. Yep, fit well. Sanding this one here, and this lens back part is so good now. It could fit my 1DX. Those crop is gonna have vignetting, but it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna paint this again. There it is. It's already good to go. You might see the internals, but who cares? The lens is working. Awesome. I can use it on my 1DX now and use it on this adapter. Let's try it now. Let's see how it goes in the A6500. Okay, since this is not a Metabones, this is gonna be manual focus. No, it's not focusing shit. The worst thing ever is when you came from holidays and you got so tired that you have everything there, like everything scattered around, and you have to organize everything in your studio. And it's so cold, it's winter. Good luck to me. Yeah, good luck to me.